61 years after its station closed, a historic railbus makes a surprising comeback. But this isn't just any train. It's a rare gem with a unique story. The railbus, known as W79978, has returned to Cirencester, a town it once served, more than 6 decades after the station's closure. This remarkable event is part of the Cirencester History Festival, offering a glimpse into the past. But here's where it gets intriguing. This railbus is one of only 4 models ever built, and it might be the sole survivor in working condition in the entire country. Built in 1958 as a British rail experiment, these railbuses were designed to serve Cirencester until the station's closure in 1964. The restoration project, led by Martin Rouse, a dedicated rail enthusiast, is a labor of love. Rouse, who began his apprenticeship at the railway works in Swindon, discovered the railbus just in time, as it was on the brink of becoming derelict. And this is the part most people miss. The railbus was rescued from potential ruin, ensuring its historical significance remains intact. It's a race against time, Rouse said, emphasizing the urgency of the restoration. We had to act fast to save this unique piece of history. The railbus is currently being restored at the Swindon and Cricklade Railway and was temporarily brought back to Cirencester, where it once belonged. The festival's producer, Jess Yarrow, aims to engage a broader audience, especially the younger generation, who might not always feel included in local events. We want to shake things up and show that history can be exciting and accessible to everyone, Yarrow said. This story raises questions about preserving local history and engaging younger audiences. Do you think festivals like this are effective in connecting the past with the present? How can we ensure that historical events resonate with diverse communities? Share your thoughts and keep the conversation going.